Today we are digging a little bit deeper in the troubleshooting of the AC system. And we are dealing today with a different type of AC system. This AC system is called the duty cycle. And this is what it looks like here. It's an AC system that is fully computer controlled. Remove the control panel, and we're going to look at this control panel and a few other control panels, and we'll have a discussion about the system. This is 4 different center console here. This is one from a Volkswagen. This is a newer model Peugeot. This is similar. This is from the 307. This control panel is from an older model car, similar to the AC systems that we was demonstrating before. And if you look in the back here, and you'll see just a few wires here in this wire connection, dealing with the speed, the different fan speed, on the AC compressor, and for the heat. There is no computer about this control panel. This control unit is from the Pembroke 307. And look in the back here, compare to this other control unit. So this control unit, look at the amount of wires in here. Wire connectors. So in total this have 38 wires connect to it. This control panel is also a computer, and this computer controls everything in the air conditioning system. Compressor clutch, radiator fan, hot and cold air inside, the blower fan motor, and many other functions. This control panel is from a VW. And similar in the back, you can see how much wire connectors connection is inside here. This has 48 wires connect to this computer. And this do the similar functions. Control the entire air conditioning system. This control panel is from a Peugeot. This is also a computer in the back. So it's a computer and a control panel together. This one, 48 wires. Compare these 3 control panels with this manual control panel. This of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 wires connect. And as we say before, these wires just do basic function. Just the fan speed on the AC compressor, heater for the dashboard. So it's pretty basic. And when you look in the back here, it's also have a manual vent control, meaning which place you want the air to blow. If you want it blow in your feet or defrost or where, this is manually controlled. Compare with one of the computerized control panel. If you want the air blow at your feet, it's all electronic control, no cable connection in the back. Troubleshooting this type of duty cycle air conditioning system, you need a diagnostic computer, and that can only do certain type of troubleshoot. Let's say there's a wire broken, then this is a whole different scenario. The computer generally can't really help you, it's of its limit. If a wire is broken, out of all this 40 wire, 48 wires, you manually will have to check the circuit, and checking the circuit manually is very tricky. We will do another video and demonstrate how you check the circuit manually with one of these computer control AC systems. If you have air conditioning problem, remember techniques of it. You can fix any problem with any model car with your air conditioning system.